Very modulated voice. Which leg? Right. On the right leg. Take note of the voice of Leslie, ha? Gusto mo ikaw na mag-explain? Parang mas magandang ikaw mag-explain. Okay, nahiya bigla. So, ganito. So, JC, the garter is on the right leg of Leslie. What you'll have to do is to take the garter off the leg. Okay? So, how do you think you're going to take off that garter? Uy, eye to eye lang, ha?
I'm going to go under her.
You are going to go under her. So, wala na akong question. Alam niyo na kung anong gagawin niyo. So, pero kailangan natin i-concrete to. So, how is JC going to take off the garter? Using his hand or his ear? Walang sumasagot. How do you like JC to do it? Using his hand or his ear? Okay, using it. Okay, so before you do that, I want you to take a pic of where the garter is. The garter is inside, according to Leslie, right leg. Take a pic. Just take a pic. Nakita mo na? Okay, so gagawa tayo ng medyo madramang galaw dyan, okay? So, once again, JC, you are going to take off the garter using your teeth from the leg of Leslie. Okay? Alam mo na gagawin? You cannot use, yes, you may use your hand for the gown, but get underneath. Okay? Underneath the gown. Okay? So why are you here? Because you are going to do a little drama going towards Leslie. Okay? Ready? Are you ready with that? Okay. Dance with the music. Music, please. Dance with the music. Dance before you go underneath. Dance first. Yes, let's clap our hands for JC. Isa pa. Isa pa dance. Medyo matagal. Yeah. Okay. Sige. Guys, the reason why you are there because you are the cheerers. Give him a cheer. Okay, you can do it, JC. Go, go, go. Oh my God, daw, sabi ng mga girls. How about the guys? What can you say? Okay, let us clap our hands for JC. Okay, so this time, are you alright? I survived. You survived. Okay, so Leslie, just stay here for a while because we are going to have the game first for the guys. Okay? And the ladies, just stay there. Don't go away. Okay? I know all of you. So, the first game or the next game would be for the guys. Parang macho-macho lahat ng mga guys natin. Ha? Lahat sila nakaganon. Okay. So, guys, JC here got the garter. And what you'll need to do is to catch the garter. Okay? Are you ready for that? Pero alam ko, mahiyain kayo. Okay? That's why you need to catch the garter to be out of the game. Because if you cannot catch the garter, if you could not grab the garter, you will stay behind. Okay? So JC, please stay here. Okay? And to our guys, stay here. Here's the line. And I'll stay here because this would be like a basketball game. So turn around, turn your back to the guys, and once I say 3, once I count to 3, that's the time for you to toss the garter. Okay? First toss. 1, 2, 3, toss. Okay, so thank you very much. Next. 1, 2, 3,
Galing, ah.
toss garter. Thank you very much. Guy in stripes. Next one. Do your best, guys. If you want to be out of the game, catch the garter. 1, 2, 3, toss. Thank you very much.
Baik, galingan mo, Baik!
Now we're down to 5.
Mambraso ka
1,
na!
2, 3, toss. Okay.
Galing! Galing, Baik! Galing! Galing! Galing!
Next. 1, 2, 3, toss.
Patay si Art! Patay si Art! Patay!
Now we're down to 3. Wala nang makakalimutan.
Patay si Art!
Go, guys.
Art, kaya mo, Art!
1, 2, 3. Toss. Okay.
Art! Art, mambraso ka na, Art!
Sino mo ang chinicheer
Art,
nyo?
mambraso ka na!
The one in Barong? Okay. Do your best. 1, 2, 3. Toss. Okay. So, we got the special guy here. What is your name? Art. Okay. So, Art, bakit kaya ang daming cheerers ni Art? Ha? Bakit po? Ang dami yung cheerers. Ang dami yung nag-cheer for Art. Okay. Ha? Papa Ball? Okay. So we got Art here. So since he is the guy of the night, we are going to treat him very specially. That's why we will be giving him a chair for him to sit on. Okay? At dahil ikaw ang special guy for the night, here are the girls. Okay, ladies? Please come over. May we have the ladies? Okay. So this game is for the ladies. JC, stay with your wife. Okay, ladies, stay here at the back of Art. Art, you are the special guy of the night. Smile. Ayan. Okay, picture muna, picture.
Sabi sa'yo, Baik
Para
eh.
may souvenir tayo kung gaano kagwapo si Art. Pinagkakaguluhan ng mga girls. Ayan. Oh, macho look, Art. Macho look. Ayan. Oh, love it, girls. And macho ulit, Art.
Sabi sa'yo, patay si Art. Nadunong eh.
Oh, macho ulit, Art.
Dapat nga, nung una pa lang, nakuha mo, malapit sa'yo eh. Ay, sige sir. Ingat po.
Okay, talaga namang
Oo.
gwapong-gwapo si Art, ha? Gumaganyan pa siya.
Ingat, padre, ha?
Okay, so Art, ikaw ang special guy namin. That's why you are there. Now, here are the ladies who are drooling over you. Okay? Totoo yon. Talagang pinagkakaguluhan nyo si Art. Because your game is Trip to Jerusalem. Okay? So, the trip to Jerusalem usually is with lots of chair. And as you could see, there's only one chair here and it is being used by Art. So when the music stops, you have to sit on the chair. And since the chair is used by Art, you will be sitting on the lap of Art. Okay? So if you would want to be out of the game, sit on the lap. Or else, you will stay
Antiwano, sabi ko,
behind.
patay siya.
Okay, ladies, did you get that? Okay, so form a circle around Art. So when the music is going on, you will be dancing for Art. Okay? Sabi ko sa iyo, pinagkakaguluhan ka Art eh, di ba? Gwapong-gwapo.